Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Kali Linux 2025.2. By default we won't get any office suite. See, you don't have any office suite, okay? So open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here, the latest release at the time of making this video is 25.2. Click on download, then select download LibreOffice. Then select LibreOffice 64-bit Debian package. Then click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 199 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory. ls. See here we have the LibreOffice zip file. Okay, we have to untar this one, tar-xf, then give the LibreOffice 2 or 3 letters of this zip file, give the tab to autofill entire zip file name, hit enter. ls. See here we have the extracted folder, go to that, cd ls, go to this debs folder, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. So install them by running the command sudo dpkg -i star.deb. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, it is installing LibreOffice 25.2. We have successfully installed. Go to applications, then search for LibreOffice. See here we have the LibreOffice base, means it is like MS Access, calc means like MS Excel, draw writer, math writer is like MS Office Word. Okay, let me open calc. See, got the calc, it is like MS Office. Help about LibreOffice. See here we have installed 25.2. Close this one, close this one, ls, go up, ls. So we have successfully installed. These files are not required anymore. rm give libre give. Also remove this directory rm -rf, give libre, give the tab to autofill enter directory name, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice latest version, that is 25.2 on Kali Linux 2025.2. okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel.